Make your very own fresh and savory cauliflower and quinoa salad with feta. Cut the cauliflower into florettes and cook for 3 minutes in a pot of salted boiling water. Drain. Cut the washed and trimmed radishes into quarters. Roughly chop the cilantro. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large wok. Add the cumin and curry powder and toast for 30 seconds. Add the quinoa and cook, stirring for 3 minutes. Add the cauliflower. Increase the heat and stir fry for another 2 minutes. Transfer to a large bowl. Pour the remaining oil into the skillet. Tear the naan into pieces. And stir fry over medium heat until crisp. Combine the cauliflower, naan, chopped tomatoes, radishes, and cilantro. Crumble feta cheese over the dish and serve immediately. And that's all it takes to make a savory and delicious cauliflower and quinoa salad with feta.